Yes guys, what is happening and welcome back to a brand new video. So today what we are doing is we are improving the security on the house by installing this keyless lock from Yale. So what we've got here, we've got the keyless lock and the mechanism, and then the other side we've got the contemporary night latch. So I did get this off Amazon as a kit, so you get like the latch and the actual locking mechanism. So yeah, we're going to see how easy or how hard this is going to be to install. I've never installed a door lock or anything like that in my life, so what you see is the first time I have a go at this. So yeah, let's get to the video. So yeah, this is what it is. So it's keyless lock, so this has got the keypad, so it doesn't look like there's any keys involved. I do believe you might be able to get a fob of some form or connect it to your phone so you can open it via your phone, but I believe you do need different accessories. So if you see there the module, I believe that's what you need to be able to make it work through your phone, but today it's just going to be the case of using the pin, and the pin will open it up, and obviously inside it's obviously going to look like this. So yeah, let's open her up, see what it looks like. So the box has got all these bits in it. So we've got a locking manual, we've got an installation guide, and we have got another installation guide. So I don't know if they've printed off two. And then it looks like, oh, that's it, man. That looks quite nice, to be honest, and it's heavy as well. Yeah, let's open it all up and see what we got. So inside the box you get this. This does actually look really nice. Like, this is gonna make my garage door look so nice. So you got this one, which on the picture is what you can see here, but you got this as well. So obviously it's got to have batteries so that this even works. But if this goes behind that, then where does this go? Is this even needed? I'm guessing it is, because it obviously came as a package, but yeah, I'm going to have a little look through here and I'll show you guys what we do next. And there you go. So there is a key card and a fob. So I'm guessing you could put like the key card in your wallet, and then the fob could just go on your keys. So instead of putting the code in, I believe you go beep and then it'll do its magic. So basically, long story short, when I was coming home from work, I got the key in. I got loads of keys, put the key in, and I noticed it was a bit bent. It must have been bent in my pocket or something. I put the key in, and the key just decided to snap half in the lock. So I thought, I want to go like wireless anyway, like it's the way that I kind of want to go anyway. So obviously, if you can see here, I do want the smart lock, but they are very expensive. So if anyone's watching this video and they've got one, please let me know, because it's probably something we'll look into potentially after. And yeah, we fitted one of these as well, the blink door cameras. So there you go, and let's rip that out now and get installing. That was actually really simple. So there was 2 bolts holding the base plate to there, and then there was 2 bolts holding the actual lock mechanism. So you can see here there's 2 like threaded holes there, and it's obviously like it was them 2, and then the 2 bolts that's there and there, and then it's literally just fell out. So yeah, we are officially lockless now, so this has to be done today. So yeah, wish me luck, let's go. Right, so what you're going to want to do next is you get your template and you just make sure the hole there lines up on the bottom, and then you have to mark it dead center. The only thing is, because this window's here, should this have been a lot further over. So yeah, I'm going to just put the plate in, but I reckon it's going to cover some of this, so I don't want it to be like all the way over here like that. So yeah, we've got to drill an 18mm hole over here just to put a connector through. So yeah, let's go. Right, so I've drilled my hole. It does look like it's over this. I don't understand why the person put this in so far out. I can only work with what I've got really, unless I decide to put a brand new door in. But I'm going to go here. It is a bit swift, and it really is, like but we're going to do the best just to straighten it up, just so it sits nice. So even if I just make this a little bit bigger, straight in. What I've got to do is I have to line this up straight, and then the one that matches to, because obviously different doors are going to be different thicknesses and stuff. I basically just going to put this flat, make sure it lines up with the correct hole that I need. So obviously the 18 there is one that I need, I've got this like pencil. I'm going to mark it up, angle grinder, chop it off, and then stick it back in. So let's go. So I've cut it to size, I've just slotted it on, and it does look like it seems to work. So what I'm going to do now is get the base plate for this, put it around that, screw this up, then attach this to it, and then we'll see what the next step has in store for us. Right then, so that is us attached, the latch is on and the door lock is on. So what we're going to have to do is we run the cable through that little silver bit there, and then this bit is going to sit just above the door lock. Run it nice and straight, don't want it protruding. Put the batteries in, connect her up to the connecting points there. So I'm guessing it's going to go either upside down, or I'm not too sure. So batteries are in. Clip that in like that, so that's on top there, that's there. And then I believe this has just come on somehow. So let's touch your keypad with the palm of your hand or your fingers. Ooh, look at that, that looks nice, man. Right, so this is going to be a weird fast forward. Unfortunately, it looks like this is going to have to be sent back. I do believe I've unfortunately got a faulty item. Long story short, when we come to set it up, and that's the last bit you saw, it says your passcode and whatever. I set the passcode up, and then I put the passcode in, and it was doing nothing, so like the latch wasn't doing anything. But even when I first put it in, it felt like there was resistance there, and like I took everything off, freed everything up, and then tried to put it back together. And then I was trying it, and I was like, I literally was tapping away on the thing, and I don't know if it's give itself a new passcode, or the passcode I put in doesn't work, or because it's basically like where it sits like that, and then it's got the spindle. So obviously you've got the spindle that goes into the back of your latch, and then obviously you've got the electronic one. So obviously when you scan your key card, that's going to go zzz, which is going to open the door. When I put my key card, fob, anything like that on it, it does absolutely nothing. So obviously this is my first instalment of this product. Obviously we've got the alarm and stuff, and the alarm's really good, and it's Yale, which is like supposed to be the best home security out there. Unfortunately, on this video and today, I was like, I'm going to do something wrong, let me have 5 minutes, and it looks like it genuinely, like I've used, if I've got a key fob, the key fob should automatically work no matter what, but it doesn't. So unfortunately, I've had to message Yale and try and organise sending it back. I've had it in the cupboard for like 5 months, so I'm hoping that I can send it back and just give me a new one through warranty. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Pretty much did install it, so if any of you are watching this and you managed to install it from what we did today, I might even try and get a cheeky sync module, which will be good to be able to actually just say if my mate needs a tool and I go, yeah, open the garage, and I open it for him. Like, that'll work out well. So yeah, unfortunately guys, it didn't really work out, but yeah, this is my first experience with this, and it didn't work very well. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Like, share, subscribe, and if you enjoyed it, let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.